Yeah, shoot. Yeah, that's right. They are going. What they're heading? It's a very good question. What they're heading is in the direction of that's Orosma. What are you looking for? They're heading the direction of being a Google search, pointing at everything and saying. But that's all to do with user generated content. Brands don't like it. We are working with large brands in UK. Can't name them. They have come out of it. It's just because purely they don't white label it. We are white labeling it. So, for argument's sake, if Armani comes, he says, I want to do this. You say, okay, you can release an app as an Armani. Or they could use our own, using our backend, but their app.
Yeah, there's one more thing is like, we actually did hacking that the Silicon Valley comes to UK. And we worked on a GPRS system, particularly looking at the demo version. And it's actually looking when the image and at the same time finding out the location where the product is available and the route to that location, how much time it's going to take and things. So are you working on the marketing side of that, getting that analytics so that you can tap into the market?
Yes, sorry, I didn't cover that. We do all the KPIs. We cover all the KPIs because that's what brands need. They say, okay, print is there, but how does it work? How much does my app produce? How many scans are done? Which area? What demographics of London? And this actually helps. I mean, these KPIs have actually helped few people to do their product development and stocking the right car at the right place as well. Like automobile dealers, actually, what I did with shoes, with cars you could actually configure different cars, different colors, different spoilers, different wheels, and these are all being tracked at the back end. And let's say in London, everybody chose black car with a white trim, just making it up, with some spoiler on it. They then get that saying, out of 100,000, 70,000 chose black color. They start stocking black car in the dealer. What happens when a customer comes in, they know Londoners like black now, so they've stocked the right car, actually shifts as a mindset. You actually walk into it rather than passing by the showroom. So it does change. It helps in a lot of ways of product development. Your question on GPRS, yes, we have already built in the app. Customer can upload the entire CSV file of their retail outlets, who stocks what, and Around Me feature will show you everything based on map. And we kick in Google, just don't want to reinvent the wheel, just do directions on the Google map and it takes you there.
Do you have any strategic expansion plan on hand, like maybe within 5 to 6 months' time to India for this? Because this one of the services I'm bringing, Silicon Valley comes to India, and it's very much we kind of look into this kind of model to work in India, particularly the brand and the marketing side of it.
I would love to.
So there's a possibility opportunity.
Sure, definitely. I would love to work with India on that, definitely.
Absolutely love this.
Thank you.
And I can see all sorts of music-related ways that you could do it. and obviously I prefer that than using QR codes for some of our executions because it's better.
True.
How do you get the customer to know to point and click to be able to enjoy that experience?
It's a very good question. This is, again, user education. But at the same time, a lot of AdWords that we do comes with saying, download, point at me. What we're pushing is a new app, point at me, which means it's going to be global. Anywhere you see a P sign with a target on it is point at me. It's simple. Just take the phone and point at it. Yeah. Okay. All right. Any more questions? Okay.